Hello everyone, welcome to the CarDekho used car guide presentation. The goal of the project is to enhance user experience by addressing the current limitations of CarDekho website. So take a look at the website. Users can explore various cars using filters such as body types, budget, and various others. So the first limitation of the website is absence of subcategories of car body type. For this, let's narrow our search to hatchback car body type. The subcategories filter provides a clear distinction between the car body types based on dimensions, primarily length, and prices. For example, Wagoner is an entry-level hatchback, i10 and Estilo are mid-level hatchbacks, i20 is a premium hatchback, whereas Mercedes-Benz B-Class is a luxury hatchback. Unfortunately, the website doesn't have this filter, due to which the user experience suffers. The second limitation of the site is absence of variant filter. For this, let's narrow down our search to model Tata Altroz only. Tata Altroz has 38 variants, hence the variant filter becomes crucial. Imagine an user looking specifically for an variant, let's say XZ, may find it difficult to navigate through multiple variants like XT, XM, XE, and others. So, for solution, the customer has to type in variant into search bar of the browser and manually search for it. This is a tedious way and obviously not optimal user experience. The third and perhaps the most critical limitation is the absence of bird's eye view of model prices. Currently, user must individually search for prices of each vehicle, lacking a comprehensive overview. For instance, if a user decides to on exact variant of Altroz of price 8.5 lakhs, they have no visibility into price range for that variant or model. This lack of information leaves users uncertain about whether they are overpaying for the chosen car. So let's talk about the solution now. So the solution is Power BI based dashboard. There are two main pages, guide and model selector, and additional two pages which can be accessed via drill through feature. This filter is actually used for classifying the subcategories and car body types. So the crux of the page is this jitter chart, which is car model on y-axis and has prices on x-axis. So as per the example, the Tata Altroz, we will take a quick overview of the cars. So upon hovering over the individual points, we can get the information for that vehicle itself. For drill through options, there are two options, car info and model info. Car info leads us to directly information about that particular vehicle. We'll get there in second. So let's go with the model info now. The model info basically gives all the information about Tata Altroz as a whole. So from here you can choose various variants. So the map chart over here gives average price by state. This bar chart gives average price by owner type, and this jitter chart over here gives comparison of variant prices in the x-axis. So as per example, we need exit diesel. So take a comprehensive overview from here. There are 12 exit diesel with minimum price from 7.3 lakhs all the way over to 10.18 lakhs with mean price of 8.5 lakhs. Let's just say the user wants the most affordable option. Go to the deal car info. This page is the node point for the dashboard. So this in here, the ask price is 7.3 lakhs. The year is 2020. Color is gray, and location is Uttarakhand. This is all the other required information. Alternatively, we can skip the model selector or model info page as well to go directly from guide page, which is this one, to the car info. So let's do that first. So this time the user wants to play it safe and go with the mean near to mean price. So go to the car info directly from here. So as you can see, this is from Karnataka state. The manufacturing year is 2020. Car color is red. Ask price is 8.5 lakhs. So this was the dashboard. So the dashboard currently addresses all the limitation as presented and can be seamlessly integrated with the website itself. The link to the dashboard is available in the description. Thank you.